With Find My, you can locate and recover a missing device and share your location with friends and family. We'll show you how to turn on Find My, how to locate devices, and how to share your location. When you sign into iCloud with your Apple ID on a new device, you'll turn on Find My automatically. To check that Find My is active, open Settings, tap your name, tap Find My, and tap Find My iPhone. If Find My is set up on your iPhone, your paired Apple Watch or AirPods will automatically be set up too. With Find My, you can locate a device even if it's not connected to Wi-Fi or cellular, and your device can send its location to Apple when the battery is critically low. That way, you can look up its last known location if your battery dies. To locate a missing device, open the Find My app on any of your other devices and tap Devices. If you don't have a second device, you can sign into iCloud.com using a desktop browser on your computer or a mobile browser on a friend's device. Here, you'll see a list of your devices with Find My enabled and a map with their locations. Select a device and swipe up on the handle to see your options. If it looks like your device is nearby, but you still can't find it, tap Play Sound. Your misplaced device will chime, and you'll hear this sound. So you can easily find it if it's in the next room or under the couch. Or, tap Directions if you see it on the map and want to track it down. If your device is far away or in an unfamiliar location, you can mark it as lost by tapping Activate. This lets you remotely lock your missing device with its passcode and display a message with contact information in case someone finds it. The missing device must be connected to the internet in order to activate Lost Mode. Think your device is lost for good? You can erase it remotely by tapping Erase this device. However, once you do this, you won't be able to track your device and you'll have to restore it from a backup if you eventually find it. You can also use the Find My app to share your location with family and friends. To do this, tap People. If anyone has shared their location with you, you'll see them listed here. Next, tap Start Sharing Location. Find and select a contact, and tap Send. Now choose how long you want to share your location. Your friend will then receive a notification on their device and can choose to share their location back with you. And that's Find My, a one-stop shop for staying connected with your friends and tracking down all of your devices. For more iOS tips, subscribe to the Apple Support channel or click another video to keep watching.